Welcome back to Market Call. Time now for Kim Bolton's top picks. Number one, Kim, is Amazon, one of the best known stocks on the North American stock markets, AMZN on the NASDAQ.
Thanks, Paul. Yeah, when you look at our fund, the top 5 holdings are Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, and probably one of the semis. But anyway, Amazon, we have held this, we've trimmed it every once in a while. Every time it sort of gets up around that 8-9% holding in there. But what a fantastic business that they have they together in conjunction with Microsoft, the two of them own the cloud business, and they'll own it for years to come. In fact, AWS actually accounts for about 70% of Amazon's EBITDA. And so, but they use that very, very reasonably to actually invest elsewhere. And, they can, they just reported in the, oh, sorry about that. Amazon's second quarter results were much better than reported. AWS was again the bright spot with strong top-line growth and attractive margin profile. Their advertising is outperforming most peers, even despite all the macro uncertainties. Inflation will impact sort of the retail, the e-commerce side, but costs are very much being contained. So right now, after the stock split, it's trading at around 136. Average analyst out there has a 12-month price target of $167.50. So it has a nice runway in front of it.
Okay, number 2, SentinelOne, ticker symbol S on the New York Stock Exchange.
Yeah. This is in the whole cybersecurity space, and certainly that is the place to have been in the technology arena this year. But things are changing a lot. And the reason we like SentinelOne is because of what they call the XDR, or what used to be known as the MDR, which is detection and monitoring, detection and response. But SentinelOne actually has it as an extended detection and response. So in the past, these cybersecurity companies would have monitoring capabilities and then detecting, but it was the response side that was lacking. And really, SentinelOne has really perfected this. So they can actually come in here and they can detect it, and then they can impose and rectify it and get rid of whatever bad thing is happening within their server space. And then they go back to their customer and they say, okay, we found it, we got rid of it. Now these are the things that you need to do to make sure that this doesn't happen ever again. So anyway, SentinelOne is really sort of cutting edge in that sort of response section of the so right now trading at about $25, has a 12-month price target of $35.
Okay, certainly a lot of us would like to see fewer ransomware attacks and breakages into key networks. We all have an interest in that. The third top pick might surprise some people coming from an expert in the tech field. It's Walt Disney, DIS, on the New York Stock Exchange. Why does Walt Disney fall into your top picks bucket, Kim?
Paul, I participated in the technology arena for the better part of 30 years, almost 30 years, because I did go through the .com. So, if you go back, even 15, 20, 25 years ago, when you ran a tech fund, it was all about the vendors. But these days, there are some really true, legitimate end users that are technology companies, like the Walt Disney Company. They very much smartly pivoted, where they ended up getting into the whole streaming side, which is really propelling the company into the future, so that in a very, very short period of time, they are now the third largest provider of subscription streaming services, just behind Netflix and Amazon Prime. Now, on top of that, if you go back before the whole pandemic, 60% of the revenues for Walt Disney actually came from their theme parks. Now that is whittled down, but as we start to come out the other side of this, it is actually going to pick up some steam. So they have a lot of horses in the race. Right now, trading at about 106, fallen all the way from 200. We have a 12-month price target of $149. Love this stuff.